Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make the classic Italian ragu. Bolognese ragu is the main ingredient for Bolognese lasagna, for Bolognese pasta. You can use on top of the bread, you can use for many recipes. Let's put olive oil, the soffritto, and cook in a slow heat for at least 15 minutes. The soffritto now is dry. Okay, let's add the meat, and if you don't like pork, you can use easily the lamb, but important have to be at least 20% of fat inside. At this point we need to stir fry for at least 10-15 minutes to reduce the juice from the meat as well, yeah? When the meat is dry, let's add the white wine. The tomato sauce, 1 liter of water, a bit of salt, and let's cook for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, the second liter of water. Now the third liter of water.